Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a preloader onto your Shopify website. So this isn't something that Shopify have natively available, so we're going to use an external app for this. How do you add apps? You can either go into here, add apps, and then press on this button here, or you can go up here, and I'm just going to search up preloader, and then search preloader in Shopify App Store. The app I recommend for you to use is called Preloadify. It's pretty easy. Once you're here, let's just click on install. Now wait for it to load in. Now we can just install right away. Wait for it to load. It's going to give you a tour, but I'm just going to skip this for now. If you want it to take a tour with the instruction there, you can. Great. Right now, once we're on these settings here, it's maybe going to be a little overwhelming, but it's okay. This is the nitty-gritty of it. Like you can change the weights, the pages, the devices, the graphic opacity and such. But if you just want to add a simple preloader animation, just click on this. Pay attention to this only. Quick start. So here, there's a lot of presets you can choose from, like circling wheel, or flying dots, dripping ball, bouncing dot. I'm going to just use dripping ball so you guys can see it in action because it's the most obvious, I think. But once you've selected the quick start and make sure that Preloadify is enabled, just click on save. Now, wait for it to load in. And then once you've saved, we can view in our store. Let's just click on view your store. And there you go. Our preloader animation is now enabled. If we change between pages, you'll have the animation there as well.